Hello, Paul. This video is for you. I'm going to quickly show you how to order, as you ask on the website, to show you how to order an item here. Let's quickly say, let's say you want to buy a shoe. You have two options to search. You can search right here what you want, shoes, and then you can select from any of this. But I find that the best option is to use the menu, the main menu. So let's quickly go to where the main fashion is, and then we come to you see shoes. You see shoes here? Yeah, you can select there. You see a lot of shoes come up, so many of them, and you can just click on any of these things. Let's say you're buying the red shoe. I'm not a fan of red color. If you click the shoe that you want, like here, you will get to a page like this. Right here, you can see the product clearly. You can zoom in. You can select other parts of the product. You can select any part to be sure with to get to know your product properly. And you can see here there's a price of the item you want to buy. After seeing that and being sure this is what you want to buy, you can then add to cart. Here we can go into clicking add to cart adds item to your online cart. That means you can go back and browse, but the item that you chose is still there. Here is your cart on top here, just next to the phone number. You can view your cart. You can check out. Check out means you are going to leave the website and you want to finish the payment process. Here you will need to log in if you're a new customer, or you can check out as a guest. We allow you to order without registering with us. It can quicken your checkout process. You can also log in with your Facebook profile or your Gmail, both of which are a quick way to get started with us. So I'm going to log in because I have an account already with them. Not really. Let me cancel this. I'm just going to sign in. Sorry. Yeah, as you can see here, I have been successfully logged in, and my details is already there. You can see it's already been done, and you can see so many things here. You can see the name of the product again, and on the side here you can confirm the name of the product that you're buying. Anytime you can quickly go back up here and check what is in the cart, and if you forgot how it looks like. You see here is a shipping fee. Every product has a shipping fee, the transport cost that is brought to you. You can continue now. From here you can see billing options. How do you want to pay for your product? Right now we do not support an online payment method. But here you can see you can call us and we can receive your order. We can already see your order and we can tell you how to pay. Or you can choose cash on delivery. We will get your product and you come and pay when you pick it up. From here you are finished everything. You are ready to submit your order to us. When you submit this button, I'm not going to click it. I don't have money to buy this product. You click like this and the product, your order will be submitted to us, and our order representative will contact you right away to confirm it and also discuss a few things. And if anything that you want to talk with them, they are very nice people. You can talk to them. So that's it. This video is for you, Paul. Because you asked us how to buy. Thank you very much. Bye bye.